healing from within, and today I'm going to be making a mushroom sauce to go over these lamb steaks. So all you need is 4 ingredients. It's mushrooms, some bone broth, and I'm using chicken broth in this one, an onion and some organic balsamic vinegar. So first things first, you want to fry the onion off in some olive oil, and then you add the mushrooms to the pan, mix them all about nicely. And then what you want to do is take the bone broth and you just heat this up separately, because what we're going to do after this, once this is heated up, we're going to add half of the mushrooms into a blender with the bone broth and some salt and blend them all together. And then what we do next is we add all of the onions and just a few of the mushrooms to the blender. So I just want to try and keep some aside, because then that's going to be just used as a topping for our steak. Just some whole mushrooms that are not blended together in the blender. What I'm going to add in here is some salt and a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I'm going to blend that all together and just see how it tastes with 1 tablespoon. If I need any more, then I'll just add another tablespoon, but we'll just see how it tastes first of all. As an alternative to the balsamic vinegar, you could add red wine, but you would need to evaporate the alcohol off. Red wine is acceptable on the AIP diet as long as the alcohol has been evaporated, so it would need to be boiled or, you know, cooked in a pan or something like that, but on this occasion I'm just using the balsamic vinegar. Okay, so I've heated the chicken bone broth in another pan. I've added the balsamic vinegar, just the 1 tablespoon for now. I've added the onions and the mushrooms. I've still got some mushrooms left in the pan just to top my lamb steaks with. And now we're just going to blitz it all together in there. So now we're going to blend it all together and hopefully make a creamy mushroom sauce. So I'm going to have a little cheeky taste and just see if I need to add any more salt or any more balsamic vinegar. Quick tip, be careful where you're sourcing your organic vinegar from, because I did buy this one originally in Waitrose and it's not AIP compliant, this one. Simple reason being, it actually contains sulfites, which we're not allowed on the AIP diet, so make sure you do scour over the ingredients. This one was bought off Amazon, so the difference with this is there's no sulfates or nitrates in it. It's just organic, cooked and concentrated grape with organic wine vinegar, and that is it. And there we have it. We've got the mushroom sauce ready to go over my lamb. It would probably work a lot better with beef, but I'm intolerant to beef at the moment, so lamb it is. Lamb steaks with mushroom sauce, and then you just top it off with some mushrooms. And there we have it. And then just add some veggies, some root vegetables, and there you will have a balanced AIP meal.